Sanbonani. Welcome to Kota and Chill, where we kick back, dive into real and serious conversations that matter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Nani nyazima sisi Soweto, sisi Sigeto. But that doesn't mean ukuthi singisa makota kuphela lakhaya. We have Gwawenama ribs, we have wings, we have everything, banging doors. Nya understand nje situation enjalo. Mina-ke I'm a vibrant co-host. I'm a vibrant host. Umadlakadla omuhle ngeso lakhe, umdlulo ongadli ijuba ngoba esaba ubuhle balo, umfiso ongafi ofa masekuthanda yena. Ngakho-ke maningibona nithini Suthu. Sawubona Puti.
Njani?
How are you doing?
I'm very good and kumnandi kubala.
Kumnandi kubala. That's nice. Okay, so besicela usitshele ukuthi ubani, wenzani, like your life before everything else, like your early life nje usichazele kabanzi ngawo.
Okay. Igama uSthembiso kaMashinini, who happens to be the ward councillor of Ward 26, which is Zone 6, Zone 2, Zone 5, and Diepkloof Hostel. Yeah, that's what I do on a daily basis. I just manage those areas. So that's my, it's my responsibility. I won't say it's a job.
Yeah. Okay, tell us about your life before ubani responsibility engaka.
Okay, I'm an activist mostly, and I used to run my NPOs, NGOs. That's where I used to spend most of my time. I'm a former FISMAS fall fighter. Yeah, that's one. I've always been active in this thing.
Oh, okay, like since from like like at a very young age.
Yeah, from a young age, I've always been into politics, but mostly I'll just say I'm an activist, not a politician. Yeah.
So, all you think about is all of that.
You know, if there's one thing okay, Paula bengidlala, but it was a forced because the cast bengekho cricket, bengekho in the meaning ngidlala ibhola. So I did not like playing football. I just did it because everyone was doing it. Yeah.
So if bekunezinye bongadlala ke
mina bozongitholela library mina ngiyabhora ngihlale ngidifra ukuthi mina I'm a boring person ngithanda information
library.
Yeah.
Like ukhula nje, like I'm thinking about it because abona amasese abancane all we care about is ukudla nokudlala. Uyahamba esikoleni uyabuya ulahle uniform le isokisi elinyaqoqa nokuqoqa uyadla uyahamba eparkini uyabuya nje kanjalo every day.
Never at the park. Nah, I'm an introvert, so I prefer my own space. So yabothi into bengidlala ngayo ukuthi ngidlala ama game ngisendlini kahle ngisendlini ibhola bengidlala because bebangiforce ukuthi ngiphume ngiye ngaphandle yabo. So mabangiforce ngiye ngaphandle bengizoba nalabantu engihlala nabo, but most of the time uzongithola ngiyona.
Iyangihlekisa le ndaba yokuforce uyayigcizelela. It's like
forced, like it's forced. So asinto bengiyithanda, but yeah.
Yeah. So growing up, friends, nyana.
Okay. Growing up, I was blessed to have 3 friends. So 2 of them are dead, so now 1 is left. So I won't let them foster which is lava bang foster only one.
Only one. Askisi ubuzwa lokho. So nje nabo bebak-understand. Should nonke nje benile ezencwadi.
Na bona bebangipha ngestradini nodlala bangifake
inkingeni. Bakufake inkingeni.
So ayithi my mom bekamngani kamunye, so ngibe umngani wakhe ngoba umama umngani kamngani wakhe. So mabahambile bashiye siyi2. So ngaba kanjalo sabangase singabangani. That's one of the things that was always happening.
Kanjalo nje.
Kanjalo nje yaze yafika la ifika khona ukuthi uzithole sona 21 years umngani nomuntu.
Okay. Nonyaguzo. So speaking of your early life, how did you think it shaped your current position as a councillor? Your interest, kahle.
Okay. You know, I grew up in an area, Kaslam is one of the roughest. We like a role model. So we have to create that persona. So in my head, I had this imaginary friend who was my role model. So it's a cool in the corner, you're being shaper. Ukuthi ngikwazi ukumanage ezinye izinto ngizibalekele. So the one amasoko understand ukuthi this thing is hard. So mangibheka ama circumstances like it had to be yonke into bengiyenza had to lead me to politics, had to lead me like politics is not even something that I chose, but it chose me. Because ekhaya ngikhula vele kunama activists. I understand ukuthi njalo. So uyibona ngathi into normal. Kanti no, it's not normal. It's something that vele ukuthi lead to yonke into because mabathi every decision you take leads you to the person that you must become. So the decisions ezinye zakhona, there were decisions that I took involuntarily. Ngibone nami sengibona ukuthi okay, from esikoleni primary I was the head boy, Uyabona ukuthi sokuyakhuphuka lento le. Uyabona ama responsibilities asokangakanani. Mase ufika to a certain age, uthola tertiary uneyinkinga ukuthi you cannot pay for the fees. Ama fees awabhadaleki siyakolota. So what kumele kenzakaleni? Then it happens ukuthi I think it's 2014 where the fees must fall happen. Sengizithola ngapho phakathi. I-concern yami nami ngiyabona ukuthi no, labantwana abakhulu laba. Sonke asafodi because who has 60,000 to pay for your school fees? While endlini wazi kahle ukuthi akunanesinkwa lapho. Yeah, so that's one of the things that happened.
So njengoba ukhula as serious as you are, kusho ukuthi kudala kahle kahle uku-role ebaluleke ngalendlela leyo ukuthi mhlambe manje ucounselor, udila nenkinga zabantu. So how would you describe a person ongazibiza a leader ongathini?
A leader is someone okwazi ukunderstand ukuthi he's not always right. And sometimes mamela abanye abantu. You know, to lead does not mean you must be forward. Because nokubona ukuthi nabantu abafuna ukuba forward, labe sibabiza ama-populist. Ufuna ukuhlola entertainana nabantu. But sometimes mawuzohlala phansi urest ubheke ukuthi singahlala siyi-5. Everybody lapho is a leader. Kuzoba obvious ifana negroup right. Kuzoba nomuntu oba uBeyonce lapho kunabo KD kunabo bani. So you just choose your role which one. How do you lead? Some are good leaders from the back, some are leaders from the front. You know, take it with I don't lead from the front, I lead from the back. Mamela ngicheck out environment, ngicheck nje balance izinto ukuthi sibone ukuthi okay, la senza kanje. Bese kuzoba nomuntu ozosho lento le engiyikhulumayo. So that was i-role yami njalo ukuthi ngihlale ngisemuva even when izinto zenzeka. There are things that will be happening abantu bangazi ukuthi ngikhona lapho because I don't want to be at the forefront. Ngikholwa ukuthi lo se-forefront uba ne-pressure ebhaya. That's why uzongibona namanje I'm able ngiyaziwokhela njani. I'm free to do that because I'm not my role. I must stay. Then it happens with mangise-officing as about counselor, but ngaphandle I'm still the same person that I was.
Yeah, I was gonna come to that. Ukuthi, how can you be someone ogule position because you know there's always public speaking, there's always this and that, you're an educator, you do all of that, and then at the same time we introvert. So how do you balance?
You know, I think ezinye izinto zizofika la ukuthi kunale challenge leso ukuthi people think ukuthi an introvert cannot be a public speaker and I just enjoy my quality time alone. But when ngaphandle i-battery lami liyashesha ukuba low manginabantu ababhayi. So kungcono mangihleli la ngihleli khona but you can just balance yonke lento le ukuthi I love entertaining people. Sometimes ngithi entertainment yami njani when I give them information ngithanda ama-debates mina. Mawuzongithola ngahlala uzongithola ngimina abantu magine-debate active uzongithola ngimile isikhathi eside la because you are learning from what people think they know because a lot of times soba nale challenge abantu abazi ukuthi into abayazi nebangayazi bathanda ukucomment bathanda ukwenza ini yabona even with my role I always say ebantwini 90% of the job I do is not even part of my role but you still do it
because like as young as you are like umuntu makakhuluma ngecounselor in my mind like uvela imagine labo baba bemikhaba. You understand laba bama-bands manje I understand laba baqhamuka nje vele ukuthi makasondela kuyashiftwa. So wena ungasho ukuthi u-different in a way since uthanda ukuba semuva instead of phambili awuthanda ukuthi uvele uchayine laphaya but awucabanga mhlawumbe ukuthi irole yakho iyakuforsa in a way to always be in the front.
No, irole yami is a challenging role but ayikuforce ukuthi ube phambili because uzobona kuzoba you just have to mangisho ukuthi kunabantu abangazi uthini abayazi nabangazi uthini abafuna ukuyazi. So mina irole yami is just to give you the information that they can. So you can be on the front sokubhedo uphomisa abantu izinto ongakwazi ukuzenza. Nale misconception ukuthi ama-counselor abantu abadala in the city of Johannesburg in the party that I come from see 10 young counselors.
Yeah.
And there's also even a 25-year-old who's a counselor. About in Javintakon shows you ukuthi the roles are changing. Because we cannot we are the largest population in South Africa, but we don't want to be in politics. So if we don't take the role. Because manzobayekela bazosobafika and yilapho papa khona sithole sine ama-challenges ukuthi abantu bayasicabanga ukuthi sifuna ini siyi-youth. Because the youth does not want to take part. Iyabhora ipolitiki, yes, iyabhora because iyachallengeana. But if awuthanda ukuchallenge ungacabanga ukuthi uzobona izinto ezigrand uzosithola usogola. Because I think if the youth of 76 did not play the role they played, maybe it's the same move. It shows you that every time we want to change something, young people must be at the forefront.
Yeah, because the young and the blood izinto ziyahamba ziyaflowa kahle yonke into iba right. So into engi-interested kuyo kakhulu ne is uthi usichazele kahle kahle yini umsebenzi we-counselor because yonke into it seems like yonke into any problem ekhona emphakathini tshela counselor. oh nguyile idolo likhulu khuzikile liphi ikhansela hayi yabona ikhansela ngilimela alikho so kuba ngathi manje kahle kahle umsebenzi wakho so umningi ngalendlela leyo so sichazela kahle kahle yini iposition ekhansela.
Okay, umsebenzi we-councillor is to represent the community in the council. I-council ilama sihlangane khona ama-councillor wonke ase-City of Johannesburg. Kune-chamber yakhona ise-Braamfontein. Kuthi yabona ko-GRA njengoba ubona istradi kugubhiwe lapha. Yes, that's my job uku-check ukuthi why bagubhile bangakavali. Kumele kenze into ezinjalo. Why ama-robots angasebenzi? Ama-pothole lawo esiwabona ayimillion lawo. It's our role ukuthi sibuze ukuthi we've reported it has not yet happened. Bese ngibuye abantwini ngibatshele ukuthi awakavaleki because i-budget mhlawumbe ayikabi khona lento leyo. Like last there was a certain party beyi-strike evalele i-GRA eDepi Dobsonville engafuna abantu bakhona baphume bazovala. And uyabona ukuthi isikhathi i-budget njengoba wazi lento zihamba nge-budget. If i-budget ayisebenzi manje ibuyele emuva i-budget yakhona. And mayibuya next time ibuya seyishort ayisabuyile yamali leya. Because if you can't use 10 rand manje ke i-10 rand yakhulula kuba bazobuyisa kuyi-6 rand. If ne-6 rand yakhulula uthi izobuya sekuyi-2 rand nini ibuye ingasekho leyo mali leyo. So that's our job to always fight ukuthi izinto sibone service delivery happening. Yabona manje bekunenkinga yama I think njengoba before ngifika la sa Thursday azange bathatha uDota yithi. So if abanye babone i-truck epiketa bidlula la ithatha uDota. So it was a job to make sure ukuthi izothatha lo Dota before nilahlela nisenzela illegal dumping that's happening everywhere here in Soweto.
Yeah. So when as a councillor and the ANC angithi.
Yeah.
So do you think ANC is doing enough to ukuthi idile nama social issues esibhekene nawo?
This question is very difficult. It's a matter which you can never do enough because the conditions keep changing every time. When the youth so people in 1976 did enough for them, but the same as no every one of us so it's never enough. Mina now is struggle lesingafani. Mina now is economical struggle. Sisihluphayo ukuthi abanye abantu bacountwe nabo ufuna ukuhlala ufunda nabelungu nani, but it's not enough because if awuna mali kuyafana nokuthi you don't have the freedom because the freedom is money. So we are not doing because we don't own the means of production, yabo. So ezinye izinto sazoba ukuthi start isikhathi eside because uzoza umuntu athi 30 years compare i-country na 30 years of freedom ne-country na 400 years of freedom. I don't understand ukuthi siyibeka kanjani into le because it took amanye ama-country 200 years to be where they are right now. Thina sesena 30 sisaphethwe i-adolescent yabona sesiyakhula manje sesifika la kumele sifike khona ukuthi ezinye izinto sikumele sisicuthe out. So it depends on us ukuthi where do we want to see it, and it's going to be challenging for thina yabona njengoba sesikuma coalition government ukuthi ubona ukuthi sekumele sincengane bonile la ukuthi abanye bangafuni ukuvotela i-budget. So if there's no budget there is no service delivery. So izoba inkinga lento leyo because uzorana i-country kanjani ungana budget because soon ke nini so papa if i-budget ayiphasanga bekuzopapa abantu bama-grant bangatholanga abantwana abafunda isikole bangafundi esikoleni because even this free education you must always know it's not free. Someone is paying those teachers abasemaklasini asama-volunteers ayithi.
Yazi ngihlekiswa yini mase sikhuluma ngendaba le e-budget as soon as kutholakala ukuthi kuyapostpone nani abantu babalo bathi siyolutha basijwayeza selutha and I'm like it must be so hard ukuthi udile ne-community like sibaningi sinengqondo ezingafani. And then into enhla siyithanda esikhathini esiningi siyanyathelelana sodwa phasi we understand. So i-approach yenu iba njani when it comes to ukusolve iy'nkinga zasemphakathini?
You know, I think people must always be informed. Yabona lento yokulutha iba i-challenge if bazolutha because ukhumbule that time ukulutha kunabantu bethu abaluza imisebenzi kunama-business ethu asale yamoshakala zange baphinde basebenze. And the funny thing is government is going to pay those companies that loss. Lawo makhampani athatha imali yawo sewa-right wona awaluzanga nithi wena ungasasebenzi uhlele kasi luthile wamosheka bona bayaspana labantu labo. If umuntu beka nezinto zakhe la makhampani anama-insurance onke government is going to pay them ba-right basorted wena wohlela awuna nix so yasogola leyo mqondo lo ukuthi 5 minutes isijuthane ngezinto ezibhedayo because I don't think ukuthi into grand because mawubheka lani babalutha amashop ethu abodaka amashopani konke into ithathile amoshakela amashop bewa-grand babulalana nokubulalana kuwo futhi lawo mashop lawo futhi I think mina mangena bekuyileso sikhathi leso ukuthi besadila nokurecover lezinye izinto zakhona. So we are still recovering from that asikakabi futhi you know what it takes a lot of time ukuthi izinto zifike la kumele sifike khona and we are still we are a developing country, not a developed countries yet.
Yeah.
We are still developing. Ezinye izinto mazenzeka zisikhawatha for a long time. Ukulungisa into yenze ethathe boma 1 month. It could take us around about 10 years just to fix the injustices ezenzeka lengaso sikhathi sokulutha.
And a lot of damage like has been done, like a lot happened. Impilo zabantu, amasho akhona azasavaliwe even today. Awakavuli shuthi abanamandla mhlawumbe banga insharanga or something, but nje kumoshakala izinto eziningi. So wena seeing that uthi bekhani uzoqala makenzeka yonke lento leyo.
Bese ayithi yenzakala ngesikhathi ukuthi thina sesizongena ama elections azoba sometime in November, so we are acting kulezi zinto to some prevent ezinto. We must give direction because ukhumbule it was lockdown makenzeka zonke.
So bukwenzakala nje ingqondweni yakho makwenzekala konke lokho and ngapha sekuzoyenzakala lokho awucabanga mhlawumbe ukuthi bekungaba na something nyane ephazamisayo.
Ayikho into ebuhlungu ukuthi bengimele siyothenga isinkwa bengirequest ngiyothenga isinkwa e4 Ways Mall or somewhere else kude le. Ngicabanga usokola ngesinkwa because asikho isinkwa manje sesimoshile. So besinalezo inkinga lezi ukuthi yonke into ayisayenzakala la eduze ezinye izinto sizithatha very likely masisibheke. But maze ngasekho eduze ilapho sobona khona ukuthi we are in a serious problem here.
Yeah. Okay. Given the type of mentality you have, like information earning and all of that. So ucabanga ukuthi yini engayenzwa to ukuthi yenze country yethu ibe better in terms of the economy and everything else. Uyabona nje ukuthi nasi singasabi developing country anymore but a more developed country.
Okay, as this thing I think we need to invest in small businesses because every country in the world that is doing fine has invested in small businesses because they're the lifeline of every country. So something I'm going to stimulate this township economy. I saw which there was a people register for lente I'm not sure how many did register for that because there are funds as well, but most of the time we don't register. Siyahlala bese sifuna ukcomplain into maseyenzeka noma ubona abantu bethu ngelast day yalento le lapho sabafuna khona ke emalayinini. So I think my value into khona ngithema nge UBC I saw a lot of people balapha and you can't umuntu uchayisa masethi wena uchayisa ngofona half past 3 kanani bafika bagcola lapha. So when uzohlala uze kushaya 10 ulinda abantu baphela and then ungeke uthole overtime because there's no overtime lapha. And isikhathi beyivulile I think beyivule for more than 4 months ivulile into khona. But ithema seyithi abantu badayi bona ngeke ba register and there's funding for all these things. Anya sokhola while there's funding for izinto kumele sizenze.
So I think mhlawumbe inkinga la as usho ukuthi abantu they lack information, abazi ngendaba zama funding, abazi nga all of that. So ungaba advise uthini abantu abanjalo?
You know, I believe what as this generation, we must never be up in information. Phone you can just ask a question go Google manje kunikeza the relevant departments. So we are living in the age of information. It's just that some of us don't know what to search for. Even in TikTok if algorithm in TikTok funding it will show you the relevant departments now you can go here get funding for this. So which we just need to sometimes and start questioning phone Google and you'll be able to know what you need to do.
Yeah. So doesn't it get to a point where you're always ulungisa inkinga and finding solutions for inkinga eyiningi? So when as it affects in any way?
It's young affects. You know why it's young affects? I'm a young person and seeing the unemployment rate as young people, it's quite terrifying. Because I want to who are unemployed. We have a lot of young people who are unemployed, and some of them they're sitting in my ideas which can be funded by government, but they're not pushing. They just want someone to figure interconnect. Even when we call community meetings, community meetings, while I'm trying to push into we had somewhere the post that the push needed to apply. They never applied.
Yeah. Speaking of that, yes, there are people abazile so they had inkinga ngokuthi they had ideas basenda ama proposal to a particular channel but bafuna usizo ukuthi yenzeke, but the problem is bathatha ama idea wabo and awazange bathola anything in return ngalokho. So I think mhlambe yiyo into eyenza ukuthi youth encane ithi ukuzidistance kancane intweni ezinjalo. We understand it because uzothi ufuna usizo phambili and then bayakubetray bakhohlakalela. We understand kuna corruption eningi emhlabeni wenu. Ithi ngitho wena. Yeah, ni corrupt kabi nje. Now uyazi ukuthi ziyakhala.
No, it's not even a matter ukuthi it's I think young people nazinto kumele bazazi. But let's say you are going to pitch an idea to me. Uthatha phansi idea yakho ibhala envelope uyayibhala phansi uyifaka envelope uyayiposa envelope yakho ayivuli. It is a stamp so kusho idea hambe nini. Uyibeke lapho safe. If anyone takes that idea ungakwazi ukuyekhoti na le phepha lakho ulibeke lapha uma bayivula izobe ibhalele into leyishiba leyo. So you're able to sue whoever you need to sue. I think izinto ekumele sizazi there are loopholes to everything. Bakhona nathi bayobasitshontshela ama-ideas i-private sector sine-idea show sapitcha bayithatha zathi uma soyibheka ubheka na kuyadlala e-TV into yakhona. It's because you were young and sometimes awasiwazi lama-terms and conditions. But we always have izinto ezisokuthi thina you come to us. I will provide people who I studied with esikolweni abazokwazi ukunceda ama-lawyer akhona akenzele pro bono something just to check ukuthi singakwazi ukushayeka because we know ukuthi bazokorrupta vele. Nawe uyabona ukuthi kunjani hlale ngisho omunye umuntu athi your world is full of corruption umbuza umuntu manje ukuthi bayamisa amaphoyisa la uyenza into wrong wenza ini uyakhetha ukuboshwa noma ukhetha ukukhipha izinto. Most of them bakhetha ukukhipha izinto lezi. So uyabona ukuthi njani ukuthi it's not even you mawenza kanjalo you are the corruptor now.
Hayi baba manje ngiboshwe mabafuna lokho ngizobanika.
Ukuthi nawe udlala leyo role leya lapha abathi bagcwele la.
Bagcwele but so thina I sometimes kumele sizivikele. We understand us being honest. Wena ungakhetha ukuyatshela.
I mean I will never take ngiphosa anything else. Ngona sijikele phambili. You explain what you need to explain.
Manje uthi wena wenza into wrong manje. Naliphoyisa lisi sakuthatha sokuvalela asithi uyabona vele ukuthi awuna chance okanye khiphi 5 rand.
Chances are angiyenza into wrong. Ngiyabaleka into wrong.
Hayi.
Ngiyabaleka into wrong. Cha ngimdala angazi nangelanga li1 ngaboshwa ngajike emaselini. Ikutshelana into ngigwala ethi ngitshela ukuthi ngigwala.
Nami ngimdala ngingaka ngazi najike eselini ngaboshwa. Mara ngisigwala.
Okay. Mina ngigwala.
So wena uzithola kuma compromising situations where you feel like I outing it kancane. Ukuthi ngizisave.
Uyakhumbula uma ngizintroduce ngithe ngiyabhora. Ngiyabhora.
Just ngokubhora kwakho umention something about adolescence. Adolescence okhuluma ngayo wena yini incwadi?
Yazi mangitshela ukuthi wazi ilife yami efika lapho ukuthi mina ngile ibhuma mina. Azange ngibe phatho yadolisa ukuthi ngizongigijima bengisha nje. Yabona nje uyasha usidalela la uhlala khona uzoba grade maso grade. So
yazi why ngibuza kanje because ezinye inkinga akusuwo ozilandayo ziyazela zona utho ukuthi innocent but manje sozithola ubhekene nenkinga awazi uzophuma kanjani kuyo and then you feel like the only solution right now is ukuthi yabo ngithi uphume esandleni kancane.
You attract what you are. You attract what you are. Ayeke uzoblame omunye umuntu ufana nomuntu ozoblame athi abangani bamleader ayikho into enjalo mabacela bayada shy space bengihlala nabantu abashopliftayo bengashoplifti mina bathi mawenza into yabo ngisukele ngiyele kude so yazi bawazi ukuthi mabazoye Pick n Pay abantu bakhona bayabuya banama chocolate nani but mina ngihlala kude kunalapho ngiyasaba ngigwala
mara boyidla
ngigwala
boyidla na
chocolate ngigwala
awuphenduli
nomphendulile ngigwala
uyigwala so bongazi ne chocolate
mina bayangishaya kithi ngibizwenzani Kama bazongishayela ukuthi ngidla ichocolate engathathwanga yimi lapha because if awuthathi into uyafana nayo uthathile because you promote it into khona.
Ayingaba nami ngengayidle engiyibonile bayitshontsha ichocolate yabo bengisasemncane ichocolate I mean wonke umntana uyayithanda uyabona izinto ezinjalo shothi wena strict ngaleyo ndlela leyo.
Ngikhula eJardini ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi like umama wami nogogo wami bazokusolve ngitshela ngathi ngigwala ngithanda ukushaya so mebathi mabathi bakushaya nokuthi bo if bazongishaya ukuthi ngene endlini ngo 6:05 and isikhathi sami sokungena u6 yabo kunje
5 minutes kuphela kuphela
5 minutes yona leyo so that's why ngeke yabona manje what they taught me le uthi angikwazi ukuba late even when I'm done for call for something if you 11 10 ngizobe sengikhona ngikwazi ukuthi relax so want that discipline abayifakile uyabona ama repercussions akhona manje
and like more discipline ngaleyo ndlela nje upowerful ngenye indlela. So speaking of corruption le esithinte kancane kuyo ucabanga ukuthi yini mhlambe ekhoza inkinga ezenjalo kuma parliament kuma politics yonke nje lento le?
No, abantu abaningi I will say ukuthi for you to be corrupt it means ukuthi you don't respect your job yabo and into ezokushaya izoba ile ukuthi corruption ikhoswa izinto ezibhayo yabo yabona masithi ithi ngenze example engazi ukuthi izoba controversial. Abantu ekasa babhadala ugesi kodwa abanogesi that's corruption. So izinto ezincane ezingaka izinto ukuthi ezinye sicabanga ukuthi corruption because uyibona ngathi corruption yenzwa only ama officials noma yenzwa ama politicians but if you're not patriotic you don't love your country then we'll do lento le the corruption so gimosha ukuthi yabona corruption I think we are losing billions every year due to corruption and those billions are not being retained. Sisalinde there's on the commission ukuthi at least NPA idile nalabantu laba baboshwa abantu because it's tiring to see ukuthi njalo masokubheka ubona ukuthi nangu utshontsha imali yesasa ubone labe babopha la sibatshontsha imali yesasa uyazibuza ukuthi kanjani kunabantu abahluphekayo when uyasebenza every month they're getting paid but you still be able to take imali lekumele ingabe ifita labantwana abahluphekayo so that's one of the things.
Yeah, akithi abanye bayimention into efana nokuthi umntwana ngisi ngeke ngambuza something athi yena makangaba i-president thingisho kanjalo angavala zonke le imali lezi because athi ufila like abantu abazideserve. You understand abomama bayayiphuza imali zabantwana and then nalabo bama 350 like indaba yakhona iba sensitive kwabanye abantu abanye bafila like bayayideserve. So what's your take on that?
Okay, I think social grants, we must understand, as I said, we're a developing country. People need social grants. But I think there's a way it be much different than this. I want to see mass stems or good, like maybe touch a box, touch a pick and pay, touch a pay. So your boys doesn't enjoy this supply. But if best of Tilana, it takes like relevant to corner. Uvulwa amasithi kuyasenza wholesale yethu abantu abodaki so ilapha ethenga khona kuphela ukuthi izokwazi ukusupportana i-local economy ingathengi kule ndawo lezi ingakwazi ukuthatha nix ingayenza into leyo inokubona nama-students bonokwathola emalayinini lapha yathi hayi uzokuthengela impuphu bese wena umnika imali yena azokwazi ukuyothenga lento afuna ukuyithenga so but it's always going to be there into khona people are opportunists makabona something uzobona indlela yokuyirobha into enjalo because nawe unayo indlela obona udala singayishaya bangaboni ukuthi ngishayele into khona so yabo.
Yeah, and well. No, sometimes I feel like it's also good to survive now. I understand. Like as it's mentioned, like ngama social issues, poverty, inzima kakhulu, and I feel like iyo le ebakhoza ukuthi bayenze ezinye izinto mhlawumbe babangacabanga ukuthi bangazenza.
So iyo le but yabana masina asithi masithi umuntu uthenge utshwala ngemali yomntwana yesasa isithi poverty. It's something else. You need to deal nezinye izinto ukuthi if bekalambile bekazothenga ukudla so le uthi uzothenga ingombi yona athenge ini it's something about troublesome to us.
Yeah, but khona basile vela kithi ba play along basilambile and then makutholakala isolution bayayimosha nayo into enjalo yabo izinto ezinjalo but baningi abantu uthola ukuthi engibaziyo mina abayisebenzisi ngendlela eright le mali leyo so I feel like an idea yokuthi mhlambe i-voucher or whatever ongaya nayo mhlambe usho ukuthi okay thatha ukudla okungaka ngathi kungaba yiplan right leyo ngoba I doubt ukuthi mara ezushilo bangayithola indlela
Kalek way where there's a will there's a way.
Sakaniphekabi la South Africa especially endaweni zobugebengu sithola solution manje.
Oh, where there's a will there's a way so but we just have to deal nezinto we cannot solve them right now in a corner you won't understand ukuthi umuntu waye nabona that need yakhe ukuthi imali social grant is to assist.
Yeah.
It's not which bayakubonga. It's to assist where you are looking, which is taking whatever things that needs to be taken. But no born and the last I remember big nabantu begin contracted mfuna abantu abayi-30 bazosebenza. You know into ebeyinkinga umuntu athi izodisturb i-350 yakhe. So I never understood ukuthi kumele sizosenza kanjani. So kuzoshaya ukuthi people will blame government where they blame it. But makuvela ama-opportunity omunye ubona kahle ukuthi angazi ukuthi the 350 is more than the mali bekazoyithola or sekathi wafa ukuthi le ngcono iza kuya ihlelele phansi yabo so but we just need to deny le I think there's a way kumele kudile nayo into yakhona because I don't think in the long run izoba sustainable to give young people le mali abasuka babaphayo.
Yeah, I mean mazovala i-350 enzeni mntana abantu
so but that's why kudinga ukuthi ku-create i-economy be conducive futhi kwazi ukukreate imisebenzi emisha noma nakhona you must not lie futhi sithi imisebenzi let's say ku-create indlela ukuthi siphile because there are more skills abana mabazoya ema-university futhi not university I don't think universities should be given i-treatment engaka kakhulu but ama-technicons bayofunda ama-vocational bafunde i-skill esi-necessary for now because there's a lot of young graduates who are unemployed which is a problem but that challenge mele siyibuze futhi ukuthi what were they studying because there are courses right now which are at this current juncture they won't have jobs for the long run but because we don't need them manje but in the long run masesi right sesi-country develop bazobe seba-relevant abantu bakhona ukuthi ngakwazi ukuba-absorb kubangene basebenze laba babambelana la yabo so into kumele siyinake le ukuthi how are we going to deal with this thing of this unemployment engake affect youth ukuthi nathi sekuba ngathi sometimes nokufila ngathi ngabe yasipoisona manje ngoba ipoison into sengilindele imali le ekhona encane nakhona mayifika siyiphelile because incane but ngoba bayakupha phela bayakupha so uzothi incane kanjani into engikupha yona
Incane.
ngiyakupha ngiyakupha
Imali encane.
ibuyaphi
Ungiphi imali encane awu. Yeah. So yinkinga leyo esibhekene nayo kakhulu ne. Yeah, okay. So ngokubona kwakho ne kuzo zonke inkinga esibhekene nazo as South Africa kuningi nawe uyabona. So mawubhekile nje asithi in the next coming 5 years ucabanga ukuthi mhlambe sizobe sikuphi?
You know, 5 years in politics now, it's a very short time. Uzobona nje ukuthi blink ubone sekuyileyo 5 years leyo yabo.
Yeah.
But I think into kumele siyenze ukuthi yabona at the current juncture lento ezithathiwe, the policies that are taken and the things that we passed, ngibone expropriation bill that was passed. We just need to see it happening ngalendlela ekumele yenze ukuthi ngoba umhlaba is more important. If sizothola umhlaba sikwazi ukuvula ama business ethu, sithola umhlaba sikwazi ukwenza whatever thing that we need to have ukuthi kuyenzeke. Kuzoqala ku-change izinto ezibhayo. But we need ukuthi kubona lama policies happening because it's pointless ukuthi aphaswe in parliament and the implementation engayenzeki. Because ziningi lezi zinto lezi. Local township economy bill, township economy bill, ziningi lezi zinto lezi that we need to see them happening. Ziphasiwe zikhona, they're legislated. But ukuzibona ukuthi zifike uzoza bathi kune 500 million ekhona ifakiwe lapho. But how many people are benefiting from lento leyo? Bayingakho abantu abaziyo ababenefitile from lapho. Yabo into kumele sizazi izo lezi manje sesifuna ukubona abantu ababenefitile from lokho sikhathela ukuthi sokusibheka nami ngiyakhathela ukuthi I see something is being passed council siyayiphasisa but mase kumele ngibone in reality sekumele yenzeke I don't see it so kufana nokuthi ayiphaswanga into yakhona because uyibonile imali yakhona ifike njengoba ngishilo ngathi budget maye ngasebenza budget 200 million ifaka 200 million next year izofika 150 kanjalo izozifika ku0 izibonakala lento leke ayifuneki because there's no one who's using it so yilento kumele siqala ukunaka ukuthi we hold the executive accountable. And into esoyenza kanje ile ukuthi young people need to be active. Ningahlali phansi nilinde laba abayi3nyana abafikayo sesifika ngama political party because most political parties ezoyenza ukuthi siya campaign. Umuntu uzofika aphusha lento ayiphushayo lento ya campaign uyakulahlekisa. Mase ngokunika ngithi na lento ikhona na iyala wangayikule department le. Bese nawo uyamanga ukuthi sonke lesikhathi lesibhekisongo isikhathi kanti ikhona department relevant for this. So we need to be direct as young people.
Yeah. Sazi ukuthi sifunani kahle kahle. I feel like njoba ushilo ukuthi ikinga ukuthi asazi. And the most cool I feel like vele ngathi asazi. Yabo because kuningi. So wena awusho awukazi mhlawumbe wacabanga mhlawumbe ukuthi kube neyakho political party. Uthi nangu sithe like. Man of the hour uye lapha.
It's not mina it's always not about me. I side which I lead from the back. So I like influencing. The political party it is a contested terrain. Right now kunalabo abaphethe abanye iyashaya 5 years yabo. Kuzofika abanye ngene kushaya 5 years ingena abanye so sinakudedelwana so I can't open a political party while the political party that I'm in which I prefer I think it's still fine we just need to get more young people in spaces young people need to be joining young people need to be influencing because if young people don't influence then we'll have an 8-year-old ocabanga 2 years ukuthi youth ifuna nana 8 so that is the problem so young people need to be there bakhuluma sifundi thina into lesifuna into so yabona ukuthi some old people don't even understand my podcast why are important because you're baking a niche market in the communication communications it's mostly owned by a certain people yangafuni nokubabiza because nami ngakhanselo so into ezinjalo ukuthi but they own these things and bayasibamba ukuthi ubone ukuthi nawe uyabona ukuthi ayikho indlela esikwazi ukusebenza ngayo everything eyabo mawuthi uzama yiba bakhona lapho so uyabona ukuthi yonke into it's all about them. Yeah. So thina sidinga ukuthi nathi singene ukuthi sibone ukuthi nani nibone ukuthi sene studio sene sigreen so izinto ezinjalo sizidingayo so there are funds for zonke lezi zinto lezi we just need to channel ukuthi siyakubani Minister of Communications simvale simbize azwakala azokhuluma nani because these people ikhona ama funds there's funds for almost everything oyicabangayo for equipment bakhona and uyazi uma uzohleka ukuthi the super rich are the ones who are getting funding for lezi zinto lezi so iyahlupha lento uzofika mawufika ubheka lo muntu lo akadingi ne-funding kuba bakho bani usuyakwazi ukumthekela lento lezi nina nidinga ama-funding you don't get to get them lezinto lezi but we just need ukuthi I think nani next time you just write to Minister of Communication umbizeze because umsebenzi wakho kuza kini eze if akezi umshaye ukuthi akezi simemile akezi because they are public reps labantu babo they need to come to you because ungababoni every 5 years but manje yabona this coalition thing it's a problem because lo khona manje akahambi nathi so uhamba nabanye so yabona into ezinjalo but we just need ukuthi service delivery what should not be political. Meli serve ukuthi wonke umuntu oyifuna ayithole kungathi ukuthi ivalela wena ngoba uhamba nami so uzokumele uthole something but wonke umuntu must get ishare yakhe
Yeah. Yeah, ezishilo ukuthi iningi corruption vele. Nami ngizobhekela kwesami, obvious.
Inking.
Ngizofuna ukubona abasemva kwami qala bathi nami qala before ngibiza umakhelwane.
So yebo ukuthi masiyenza kanjalo iyashaya.
Yeah.
So we just need ukuthi I believe ukuthi as a country we are going to go far. We just need to stop being selfish. When amangayeka abantu people stop being selfish lapha bahleli khona bavula ama opportunities because mavula iminyango awuvuleli wena one. Uvulela wonke umuntu and you don't know to bani ozokuvusa. So lento othi uyayenza awazi ukuthi lo muntu lo omvulelayo uzovula more doors bese nawe uthole in the long run kunabantu baziyo who are benefiting from that. Sesuba right. Because if uzocabangela you-one then you don't need to be a public rep. Hlala uvula icompany yakhe PTY Limited but you can't represent people if ucabanga ukuthi wena kumele yonke into yenzeke kini ukuthi makuphuma imisebenzi kuvela kini phuma ini kuvela uzocasha ama-career ucasha ama-boyfriend akhe it doesn't work kanjalo.
Yeah. Yeah, and vele mara as ngishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi emhlabeni wakho man kune corruption eningi man yazi ngoba yakhumbula ngale khathi lezo covid bekune situation where kwakhipha imali kuthiwe zizosiza la zisiza khona yabo so information le ngizwe manje nami no hayi manje but bekhona ama funding akhishiwe khona imali ekhishiwe for ukuthi zisize ama artists abone izinto ezenjalo so ushuthi lo mjitha lona yena wavele wayigamasha yonke imali.
Okay, it is alleged ukuthi ubani bani idlile let's siyasaba sabukusuku.
Yeah, alleged uyigamashile. So uyabona inkinga esibhekane nazo.
No iphumile imali yabona into ekubonisa ikushako. Parliament passed imali ukuthi imali ifike iye kuma departments akusebenza ama politician. That's why idliwe ile artist leya ethatha imali because ithe makuphuma amaphepha la u18 makakhipha sathuka nathi tawo bayitholile imali bese babhizi bathi imali abayitholi from government ubona bangana abantu abathola imali lapha abanye bayitholile imali abakhulumanga bayitholile bazithi masekuvela amaphepha kanti bavele bathi hayi nathi siyitholile I saw one podcast na ayitholile imali lapha but into bongazi ukuthi uyitholile umuntu okhona
bathulile nabo
bathulile athi you are always criticizing you know man to criticize now must benefit uyathula uthi hayi no me ba wrong kodwa uyitholile wena so izinto ezinjalo ukuthi you just need to abantu bahlale phansi then understand ukuthi what has happened or ukuthi yini kumele siyilungise la silungisa khona.
Yeah ngoba ezingishilo yazi la kunemali khona hlezi kunenkinga bathi imali impande yesono wena uthini wena ngoba ngathi awunandaba nje
banamanga imali asimpande yesono
ngazile ukuthi uzophikisa
banamanga yabona not having it yimpande yesono but imali ayinacala.
Yeah.
Because imali azangithi wena uzongithatha wena usucabanga lento yakuthi ya ngitholanga kanye mangakuthatha la ngizenza yini imali ayinacala. There are people abanemali abangenzi mix wrong kunabantu abanemali abenza into ezi wrong because angeke uzongitshela ukuthi abantu abagangayo abantu abasuphekayo kuphela uthola umuntu osuper rich aganga siyabona ama ponzi scam ayenzwa abantu abanemali abenza ini babashayile barobheke abarobheke khona but yabona nama usuzoqala ufuna imali ngayo all cost babonile abanye bajoin ama ponzi scam labo triple M imali zabo zihamba and abantu aba right abasebenza kahle because selfish if imali izokwenza ube selfish then uzosokola.
Yeah, I feel like imali has that thing ukuthi igenza ube ne fear at the same time igenza ukuthi ube greed. We understand if fear is ukuthi izophela and then lento leyo cause greed ukuthi you need more. You need to make sure ukuthi ayipheli imali ngihlezi nginayo because uyazi sathanda ukuyifaka kuma spotlight manje ngoba sengiyaqala sengila sengitshela abantu the way mina ngidrive ngakhona ini sengiyaphuma ekasa ngithi uyazi sihlezi savele siyaphuma siyahamba siyangaphandle senginamahloni ukuthi kumele ngibuye la and then sengiyacabanga ukuthi no ngizothola kanjani imali phela manje ake ngibuyele ekhaya bazothini.
No but into kumele uyazi le ukuthi imali ne money is not a problem. I always say ngiyaphinda futhi namanje ukuthi mina wabe kuya ngami ngabe nami nginemali anginayo imali yabo and I still need to be fighting for lento leyo but into kumele uyazi ukuthi le ukuthi if uzoyenza ngendlela ebhedayo then we have a problem. If uzorobha abantu because unake zonke lezi zinto lezi everything that we thought ukuthi be right you were saying ukuthi politicians are corrupt we even saw abantu bamasonto bathatha imali zabantu abanye bambiza ngopapa uboneni ukuthi nawe uyafuneka manje so yabo izinto ezinjalo ukuthi sinalezo inkinga lezo ukuthi it's not a matter umuntu maka corrupt noma ngaba umfundisi uzoba corrupt if a politician is corrupt uzoba corrupt hayi ukuthi corruption belongs to a certain industry.